Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, the radii of two circles are 17 cm and 17 cm respectively. What is the radius of the circle having its area equal to the sum of the areas of two circles? Here we have given radius or radii of the two circles. Let R1 equals to 17 centimeters and R2 equals to 17 centimeters. Let the radius of the required circle be R centimeter. So pi r square equals to pi r1 square plus, this is from given, pi r2 square. So r square equals to r1 square plus r2 square, which is 17 square plus 17 square. So it is, taking square root on both the sides, we get 17 root 2, that is 24.04. Hence, radius of the circle be 24.04 centimeters.